Hello guys, so now we are going to learn about RGB versus CMYK. So you might have heard these terms RGB and CMYK. So basically what are these? Well again, I'm not going to give you a very hi-fi kind of explanation over here. I'm just going to tell you what you need to know for now. So whenever you are making a design for web, basically Facebook, Instagram, website or anything like that, which basically involves a screen, you design in RGB. And whenever you are making something which is going to be printed, like a t-shirt design or a pamphlet or a mug design or a pen design, you design it in CMYK. So if I come over here, you will see that the document says it is RGB. You can see if your file is in RGB or CMYK. Let me save it. I will go to File, Export as, and let's save it over here. Okay. After that, I will go to File again, and over here I will set the document color mode to CMYK. So something changed over here. You can see the colors are a little dull now. If I press Ctrl or Command Z to undo it, you will see these colors, and if I redo it, you will see these are a little dull. So why is it so? Basically these are in CMYK now. And now if I go to File, Export as, let's give it design file 1 and hit export. Okay, and let's see the difference. So I have two files over here. So this was the original and this was the CMYK. And as you can clearly see that web platforms or computer screens cannot support CMYK. You only use this for print media. So in short, you are never supposed to use CMYK when you are making design for web, anything which involves a screen, and you always use CMYK when you are making print media. So I will simply delete it for now because this is no use for me. So basically this is the difference between RGB and CMYK. We are right at the end of the course. See you guys in the next tutorial.